If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I want to share with you guys a quick unboxing. This is a design team package from Elena Cuddle. She has lots of new stamps and dies and stencils on her website. You guys can check it out. I'll link everything down below that I'm sharing here in the description box. So let me go ahead and share with you what this month's unboxing contains. All right, so the first thing that I picked up was some stamps, and these stamps give off a mixed media vibe. They're super cute. They are they come in a set, or you can just get them individually if you want. But look at this one. I love it's a clear stamp, but look at the wood grain on here, the texture. Really, it's giving off that grunge mixed media effect. This one is kind of a splotchier one. I guess I can describe it. I don't know. It just looks like you rubbed ink on it and it missed a lot of spots. So that's perfect, as well as this one has a lot more straight lines. I think it's really cute. Really cute. And they measure out to be the full block. It's 3.5 by about 4.5. So really nice stamps that you could use. You can dry emboss, not dry emboss, you can wet emboss with these. You can stamp with these. So I think that's a really fun stamp set. The next thing I picked up was this stamp set, and if you don't know, now you know. My favorite season is autumn, fall, the crisp leaves, the falling of the different colors. I mean, it's so amazing, and I love the fresh breeze, the scurrying of the leaves. I'm just telling you, I love it so much. So anyway, I got the stamp set, current mood, autumn mood. Fall is proof that letting go is beautiful. Autumn vibes in the air. Autumn is my favorite color. Autumn, you look lovely. And the last one is, oh, there's a couple more. Let me just go ahead and open this up. I just thought this was super cute to do on like a cute little fall card. Oh, beauty and fallen leaves. So I was just talking about, and haystacks and pumpkin patch. So a nice little versatile fall stamp for you to use if you do visit the pumpkin patch or the apple orchard. This would be a good stamp to use. I think it's really cute. And I might be a little biased because fall is my favorite. This next stamp set I think is adorable and super versatile. So I love stitching, the effects of stitching, but I don't always have time or want to do the stitching. How cute would it be to add stitching to your card without having to stitch? Or even if you don't own a sewing machine or don't know how to sew, this would be great. You have the little ropes, you have X's, you got your zigzags, your chains. I mean, this would be cute on like an ugly sweater if you want to do something like that. You have your lattice grids. I think this is so adorable. And it's a nice size to fill up like the border of a card without, having to stop and stamp so many times. So this is really cute. I'm definitely going to take advantage of the little X's down here. I just thought the whole thing, all the ones that are offered were really nice to add to a project. This next one is a stamp and die set, and I thought, of course, it was cute, but how nice is it to be able to stamp and die cut without having to fussy cut anything? So first, the stamp is thinking of you, and then of everything. There's hello, thanks, and friend. And I absolutely love this font on friend down here. It also has the stamp ribbon banner, and then a floral corner. So this would be cute just in by itself on a card. And I thought the font on the hello, there's a little heart down here and some flowers, and then you have the coordinating stamp set for everything. I mean the die set. You have the flower, the banner, the hello, the friend, the thanks, the heart. All of it is all in here. Even the little I think this is the little flower down here. Yeah, super, super cute. I just thought this was adorable. You can make a really simple card with this and put it together quite quickly. So, yeah, love that. This is the next stamp and die set that I picked up, and I love myself a versatile stamp, a universal one that you can use. You pull the stamp set out, you can make a birthday card, a congratulations card, a miss you card. So this was one of those ones that I liked. It has blessed, thankful, grateful, happy birthday, so happy you're, a little something for you, and you are special. So you can figure out whatever you want as far as what you want your sentiment to say. And it's sewing themes. So you have your sewing machine, your thread with a little floral. You have some knitting here. And then there's some more yarn and some scissors. I thought that was so, so cute. And then, of course, the coordinating die set. You have all of those. And the words have a little shadow on top. So you can stamp it and then have the shadow. But also, if you don't want to stamp, this is the die set of the words itself. So you can just die cut, shadow out, or you can stamp and shadow out. So 2-in-1, love that. And then these are all the die cuts for all the other sentiments here at the top. So I thought this was a nice plus to have the ability to stamp and shadow or just die cut and shadow. So 2-in-1, 2-in-1, 2-in-1. Gotta love that. The next stamp set I'm going to show you is this lovely floral stamp set. And again, you can use these larger images to make yourself a quick card. I do find myself in a pinch. I need to make an all-occasion card box. Just sit down and make a lot of cards all at once. But when I do find myself in a pinch, which is often, I can easily grab a stamp and die set to put a card together. So this one, it gives me more of a sympathy vibe, or thinking of you, or get well, with this beautiful large floral piece, the little flower one here, and then some leaves. You can always stamp this. You can stamp and color in with some pencils or your watercolors or paints, anything like that. Put a little cute little shadow on there, and then also you have the coordinating die set to go with everything. So you can pop these on a quick card, mat it, and be on your way with a little sentiment, and then you're done. So very, very cute. Next up, I have this beautiful butterfly die set. I thought it was so adorable. And if you look really closely, the ones on the left have stitching. So when you run it through your die cutting machine, it not only die cuts, but if you go through and use the embossing layers, or the embossing sandwich stack, you can even get some really fine details on your butterfly. And then you have the overlay on top that you can cut out in a different color, and then the little body here is in the center. So there's 4 different designs with the coordinating embossing part and body. So I thought that was really, really nice, and I can't wait to play with these. This would be cute in a little set if you want to give like a little embellishment goodie. So I had to pick this one up. The next I said is this one. I thought it was so adorable. It's like a little shop. How cute would this be? It has the awning. You have the little windows. There's a cash register and some other things on this. And I thought it was super cute. I did see a couple people do like some gable boxes, and they made it into like a little flower, not a flower, like, well, flower shop, but they made it into a little shop with the gable boxes. This might be cute to turn into something of a memory decks card, or it'll look cute on the layout. If you're going shopping, you want to add these little things. So I thought this was perfect. Super, super cute to have. And it's really nice size, and all the little details that you can use on here. So very fun die. The next item I want to show you is this paper pad. It's a 6x6 paper pad, and it's called Honey Flower. You have 24 sheets, so there's 12 designs, and you get 2 designs, two papers per design. So that's the overview of the pad. And so let me show you the papers. I'll go through them quickly. So it's a really pretty floral paper. It's giving It's giving bee vibes if you want to do like some bee cards. It's giving lemon twist. Here's that really cute little bee paper here. Thought that was adorable. Here's another one with some bees on it. There's this one with some honeycomb, and that one, a little offset of the bees. Those two look like they work well together. There's some plain yellow, and then we have this cute little floral vine sheet of paper. So finally wrapping up with this really pretty gray sheet. So I think these are so cute to have if you want to do a cute little bee theme. Here they all are together. It's called Honey Flower, and I think it's adorable. Okay, and last but not least, we're bringing in the Christmas vibes with another 6x6 paper pad. Again, with the same pages as the last one. 12 different designs, 2 designs each. So you get 24 sheets. This is the overview of them all. Really, really cute. So 6x6 paper pads. We're bringing in the large poinsettia, the candy canes, beautiful green floral that matches that quite easily. That's really, really cute. The little green polka dots. We got the gingerbread cookies. You can't have a Christmas without the gingerbread. And we have some plaid, some snowman. We have some snowflakes. Those look cute together. Some ornaments. We can't forget the wooden snowflakes because you could use those two together. And then we have some Christmas trees. I'm trying to get out for you guys. Boom, Christmas trees. And then finally some more greenery there. So really cute. I thought that was adorable. Bringing in some Christmas cheer. And with this Merry Christmas 6x6 paper pad. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you today from this haul from Alina Cuddle. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Please do check it out. If you have a second, take a second and like this video and let me know what you guys think of this haul. What would you play with first? Let me know down below in the description box. I will talk to you later. Bye.